Hello everyone. Ready to dive into Spanish pronouns with JCAB tutoring? Today I'm going to make this super easy. So, let's get started. First we have I, which is yo in Spanish. It's simple, it just means I or yo. For example, you say, I am a student, or yo soy un estudiante. Easy, right? Next is you, which is tú in Spanish. This is the informal you or tú. You would use it with friends or people your age. Like, you are my friend, or tú eres mi amigo. Now let's talk about he and she, which are él and ella in Spanish. He means él and she means ella. For example, he is a doctor, or él es un doctor, and she is a teacher, or ella es una profesora. But wait, there's more. You, formal, is usted in Spanish. You would use it with someone you don't know well, or someone older, like, you are very kind, or usted es muy amable. Okay, moving on to we, which is nosotros, or nosotras in Spanish. So if you're talking about you and your friends, you would say, we are going to the movies, or nosotros vamos al cine. Lastly, let's analyze they, masculine, they, feminine, and you, plural, which are ellos, ellas, and ustedes in Spanish. They, masculine, means ellos for a group of men or a mixed group, and they, feminine, is ellas for a group of women. For example, they play soccer, or ellos juegan al fútbol, and they study Spanish, or ellas estudian español. You plural is ustedes in Spanish. It's used for groups, whether formal or informal. Like, you all are amazing, or ustedes son increíbles. And there you have it, Spanish pronouns in a nutshell. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing Spanish lessons. See you later.